Impossibly easy pecan pie that uses Bisquick.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, here's another recipe from this book called Betty Crocker's Bisquick Impossibly Easy Pies. I actually found that at a thrift store. So starting off with a 9-inch pie plate that's been lightly greased. To this you'll add 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. I have some chopped ones here, but most of them are just the halves, and that's fine. Then in another bowl, place half a cup of Bisquick baking mix, 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 4 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of whipping cream, and 3/4 of a cup of light or dark corn syrup. And yes, I know corn syrup is the devil. Then just blend that together with a whisk. Doesn't get much easier than this. And once that's blended, all you have to do is pour it in your pie plate. And what's nice about these recipes is that this amount in that bowl will fit perfectly in that 9-inch pie plate. Then you're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes or until golden brown, and a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. And it says you should let it stand for 5 minutes before serving it. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. The pecans stay floating on top and they get a nice golden brown and they get nice and crunchy. And here is a close-up of a piece of the pie that's been cut out. You can see it has a very nice kind of custardy type of bottom to it. And it tastes, well, as you can imagine, just like pecan pie. The only thing that's missing is the bottom crust. Now, if you're a lover of crust in pies, then this is maybe not the pie for you. But if that is not your favorite part of the pie, and really the filling is usually the important part, you will love this. It is so fast and so simple to put together. If you can't find Bisquick mix where you live, you can find copycat recipes on the interwebs. And here is another impossibly easy pie that you might want to check out. It is a cherry pie that I've already posted. Thank you so much for watching.